Welcome to my educative channel. Many patients around the world come to my clinic because have difficult scar like this patient in the middle of the forehead. The procedure I perform is a plastic procedure, double blick setoplastia plus laser treatment. This is a procedure that I perform under local anesthesia, ambulatory, and just many of these patients remove the stitches in their home. I have more than 2,000 educative videos in my YouTube channel that you can see another scars in another areas.